Hey, how you doing? Welcome back to Adventures with Paul. Hey, I made a video about game stick. I'll put it up here. I was using it this year, hunting. I was sighting in my bow, and this happened. This piece here that holds your phone in, okay, broke off. So, I tried gluing it. That didn't hold. So I contacted the company, and lo and behold, they sent me a new part. I like dealing with companies like that that stand behind their product. Kudos to you, Game Stick. I appreciate their quick response. They shipped it right out to me. So if you guys are interested in the Game Stick, look them up. I'll leave a link down below in the comments or in the description, and check them out. You know, it might be worth it to you because they're a pretty honorable company. They stood behind their product, and I like it. I like the product too. All right. Well, that was just a quick wrap up, a quick update on that video. So go ahead and check out all my other videos while you're at it. And please hit that subscribe and make sure that you're subscribing to the original me, this face right here, okay? Original. I'll put the link right there. Adventures with Paul. Because there is an imposter out there, and he's claiming I'm the fake. All right. See you on the next video.